Really liked seeing so many people from Europe, but also from Latin America and stuff. So that was really nice to see the whole world coming to Berlin.
Best part is the networking. Really meeting people and talking about subjects from the conferences or outside of the conferences. That's what was great. Actually, a great moment. Thank you very much for this.
Well, I got to participate in a panel on soft POS, which was very interesting because I actually believe more in smart POS than soft POS, but it was very good to be able to discuss with other people who are really involved in what's happening in the industry. Certainly look forward to coming back next year.
All the talks with other merchants and the PSPs was very insightful, so very glad that I came.
It is special because, as I said, everybody is here, from Europe, but also all across the globe. So this is really the place to meet people and to do networking and also to close deals.
It was fruitful. I've joined a lot of sessions and with all these new insights from all the speakers that were presenting. And I particularly like the way we can interact with our business partners directly, and everything was perfect.
Get to catch up with old friends, which is kind of a sideline, but the right people come. So it's a payments event for payments companies, and the decision makers are here in Berlin every year. So for me, it's one of the first events that I put in my calendar.
We met one of the first customers here, and so we came here to talk about it on the main stage. I think that was the main highlight for us as a new payment provider in terms of open banking.
I was fortunate enough to speak to some of the execs at UnionPay to understand their perception of social commerce and contextual commerce. E-commerce as a whole is something that we're focused on at EconPay, retail specifically.
Personal highlight is when Rapid won the award last night at the gala for Best Cross-Border Merchant Solution. So, go Rapid!
I think that this event actually captures everything that we wanted to see in the past in terms of merchants, e-commerce business, and generally speaking about payments, new tendencies, new updates, and we're really looking forward to the next one. I absolutely loved it.
I say yes to MPE.
I say yes to MPE.
We say yes to MPE.